guys, Danielle again, Danielle's Homemade Products. The first of the month, which means it's time to clean out the fridge and figure out what I need to create for Mike, because I'm going to be doing the menu, so I want to see what I have in the freezer and clean out the fridge so that when I do go grocery shopping, it is ready for food. So I'm going to go ahead and clean, and I'll let you guys watch as I do it. I went ahead and first took down all... Yes, we still had Christmas cards on the fridge, so I took down all the Christmas cards, all the papers that were on it, all the magnets, because the outside of it does need to be cleaned. There's a spot here where an old magnet that my grandmother had for a while had stuck, so I had to scrape that by hand. So I want to wipe down the entire outside once I'm done with the inside, because it gets fingerprints, it gets sticky stuff on it, and you've got a 9-year-old and 2 adults here at the house, so everything needs to be cleaned at some point in time. And I've got just, I still have my normal tank top uniform on underneath it, but I've got a scrub top on. I tend to like to clean in scrubs just because I don't worry about getting bleach or anything on them, which today I'm going to be using my standard vinegar and water in a spray bottle. So let's get started. And this is when I go through to check expiration dates, stash the alcohol for later, and check and see as I'm going. I've got a pad and paper over here on the table next to my tripod that you guys are sitting on, and as I'm going through the different shelves, I can check and see if something has expired. If I need to purchase something, then I can write it down on my list as I'm going. Okay, we're good on that one. So basically, double duty. And I usually just go drawer by drawer on the door itself. And I'll be honest, I'm not necessarily as good about cleaning out the doors of the fridge as I am about everything else. But usually this is something I do like to do at the beginning of the month before I do my menu. Because, like I said, that way any condiments that have gone bad or have expired, or this way too, like, for example, right now there's ketchup on this one, so I can get that all off and start with a clean fridge for the beginning of the month. And then once I know what we have and just the basics of what we need to get, I can then go and create my menu from there. I do one spot at a time and then continue on my way. And I realize I have you guys in a very good spot to see what I'm doing on this side of the fridge, so I'll probably fast forward through this. I've got you sitting on the kitchen table. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I went ahead and finished the inside of this other door that you guys couldn't see very well, so I just went ahead and paused the video. I did wipe up the seal, couldn't think of the word there for a second. This is the water filter line, so I did wipe that all down, and then I did wipe the seal along the top and the bottom as well. So now I'll get started on this side. And I do have some obnoxious meds in here. No, I'm recording. Nana thinks I'm talking to myself again. My camera's right there. First, she makes ends. These have probably been in there since summertime. So we're going to say bye-bye to them. And if these shelves aren't too bad. Like I said, it's been a little bit since I've done them, but I try to keep them out every couple of weeks at least, or when I see something in them. But if your shelves are really gross or grody or something is spilled, you can always take it to your sink and spray it and get it out that way too. I'm just wiping them down with vinegar, because vinegar is going to cut any stickiness, like from jelly, barbecue sauce, anything like that. Even ketchup, it'll take that stickiness from ketchup that's spilled, because I don't think I've ever had a fridge that I haven't spilled something in. Usually it's ketchup or some kind of salad dressing. Or a bottle that drips. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and speed the rest of this up.
All the doors are cleaned off. Sitting on his meds. All the bins on the doors have been washed. And this side too, wipe down, gone through all the condiments, check for dates. And next, which I'm really, really dreading, is the freezer.
So fridge magnets are put back on. Again, Nana's a big fan of Elvis. I've got the fridge all cleaned out. Ran out of time, so the freezer will have to wait for a different day. This guy gets off early out of school on Wednesdays, so today is a Wednesday. So there is the finished fridge, and the door's trying to close on me. There you go. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and we'll see you soon.